Hi, I'm Linesh Pillai. Well, today we're going to learn how to activate cabbage seeds. So, through Growing to Eat, we teach you how you could grow your cabbage microgreens and add it to your cabbage dishes to bring back nutrition. So that was cabbage microgreens, and I hope you have fun growing them.
Hi, I'm Shalaka and you're watching me on Growing to Eat series on Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Today I'm going to show you a salad. Yes, it's a salad with cabbage greens. Have you ever thought how you would incorporate cabbage leaves? Moreover, I have always seen cabbage in coleslaw and stuff like that, but I've never ever had greens. But yes, today I'm going to show you a salad with cabbage greens because I have them in my kitchen cabinet right here. They are so stiff and so nice. And if you observe them properly, they have a nice slight tinge of purple shade to their edges. So I'm going to use this salad greens in my salad now. The first thing we're going to start is blanching of asparagus. So to blanch the asparagus, I've already kept some water for boiling and I've added some salt to the water. So let it boil. Prior to that, we'll start making juliennes of pink radish. So here I have pink radish. Now I'm going to put them in nice chilled ice cold water. Now let's blanch some asparagus. So while blanching the asparagus, always remember you have to add asparagus when the water is boiling. And remember, once you blanch them, you have to transfer it immediately to ice cold bath. Otherwise, they'll lose their green color. It won't retain the green color of the asparagus, which we don't want. Okay, that's it. So just let them stay for a minute or so. Till then, we'll move on to the onion. And I'm going to thinly slice it. It's very necessary to have all your ingredients just to have a nice appeal to your salad. Just separate them up. Let's put it into a bowl. The next ingredient I'm going to process is the enoki. So whenever I use enoki, I try and use top part wherein you can see this. Nice pearls. I'm going to use that. Give it a cut and put it into a tiny bowl. So as you can see, almost all the ingredients are done. My asparagus is nicely chilled. I'm going to use tip of it, and the rest I'm going to cut into diagonals. When you have too thicker asparagus, make sure you need to peel the excess fiber what you have. So when you're having a bite of it, it's not coming into your mouth. It doesn't give that fibrous feeling when you eat an asparagus. So right now what I have over here is a bowl in which I'm going to start adding all the ingredients what we have prepared. The first goes in is the quinoa. If you don't have quinoa with you, you can substitute it with some couscous or barley. I'm adding some cucumber juliennes to it, thinly sliced onions, asparagus, apple juliennes, and a few pink radish juliennes. Now I'm just going to mix them all. So as you can see, I have added almost all the ingredients what I wanted to put into the salad. The only one thing what is remaining is the dressing and the cabbage greens what we have grown. So let's go ahead and put them as well. Remember, whenever you are snipping off your microgreens, take as much as you can because I'm sure after having so much of nutrition in them, you do not want anything to be wasted. We have snipped as much as we can with a minimal of wastage. So I'll just give it a mix. Let's add our enoki mushrooms, some salt. For the dressing, what I'm using is just lemon juice and some olive oil. The reason why I'm not adding any mustard to it is the cabbage greens itself are so sharp in taste that you do not, or rather you won't require any strong flavor like mustard. So that's it. My salad is ready. Let's go ahead and plate it. One thing what I'm going to add is the asparagus tips. just on the top. So here it is, my lovely salad with cabbage greens and quinoa with a lovely dressing, a simple dressing to go along with it, and so much of varieties of veggies I've added to it. I'm going to love this. I'm sure you will too.